Welcome back, viewers, to know about MH-60R helicopters and its special features. Why India gets it from US. The Indian Navy is procuring 24 of these helicopters manufactured by Lockheed Martin under foreign military sales at an estimate cost of $2.4 billion, which is equal to 18,000 crore in Indian value. The MH-60R is an anti-weather helicopter designed to support multiple missions with state-of-the-art avionics. The choppers arrived at the ceremony held at a naval air station in San Diego. In yet another sign of strengthening defense cooperation, the US Navy has handed over the first two MH-60R multiple role helicopters, that is MRH, to the Indian Navy on 16th July 2021. A ceremony was held at the Naval Air Station, North Island, San Diego, to mark the formal transfer of the helicopters. The induction of this MRH would enhance Indian Navy's three-dimensional capabilities. The helicopters would also be modified with several India unique equipment and weapons. The first batch of the Indian crew is presently undergoing training in the US to exploit these potent helicopters. The proposed sale will provide India the capability to perform anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare missions, along with the ability to perform secondary missions including vertical replenishment, search and risk and communications relay. So that Indian government has spent 18,000 crore to purchase MH-60R helicopters from US for the safety and security of India on the borders. Moreover, it will strengthen the relationship between India and US on safety in the regional areas.